Cool. Now, one of the things we were talking about too is just how easy to set it up. So I pulled up the GUI for you here. You want to walk us through how it gets set up, how it's configured, and then the type of metrics you get afterward?
Yeah, let's do it. So as I said, it's a very simple tool, right? I mentioned the ACLs or profiles, right? That's kind of what it drives off of, how it makes the decision on what to forward. So I'm going to start there. I'm going to jump right into the configuration, show you how simple it is to set up. I have a profile tab. This is where you define those rules. I've got 2 defined already. I'm just going to create a new one though. We're just going to go from scratch. So if I click this plus button, it brings up a little prompt for me and says, all right, give it a name, right? So let's say in this case, I want syslog. I'm just going to name it syslog. I'm not too creative. I'm an engineer, so we'll call it syslog. What port do I want it to come in on? Well, 514 is the common port for syslog. I'm going to keep that, but you can make it whatever. Port I want it to out on. Again, I'm not creative. I'm going to keep it on 514. But there are situations that may arise where you want it to go out on a different port. Maybe there's a tool that only wants to ingest it on a particular port that's different from other tools that want this stream. You can absolutely accommodate that here, right?
Got it.
We'll go ahead and save that. And then what that does is it creates this profile for me. Now, in this profile, adding destinations is super simple. There's another plus button down here. I punch in the IP address of where I want it to go, save it, and I'm done, right? By default, this profile will automatically forward all 514 traffic to this destination. That's the default behavior. Now, if there was a reason why I wanted to limit maybe which sources were being forwarded on, I can absolutely tune that by adding exporters in here and starting to define that as well, right? So I can absolutely limit what gets forwarded. But it's, again, super simple to set up. That's it. I'm off and running. Syslog is now being sent to this device.